Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. Let's have a look at the headlines. Election Commission prepares to combat challenge of misinformation. Police detain 2 more in connection with IED blast case. Congress candidates for Shillong and Tura parliamentary seat to file nomination on March 25th. BJP Central Leadership sends 2 co-coordinators to Meghalaya. And Congress launches Lok Sabha campaign in Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. As the general election edges closer, the Election Commission is all prepared to combat the challenge of misinformation that has the potential to cripple the democratic process. The Commission has issued stern directives and has urged vigilance and responsibility from all stakeholders. Highlighting the gravity of the situation, the poll body has urged political parties to verify before amplifying any information, thereby cautioning against dissemination of false narratives. In a bid to prevent the spread of misleading content, the Election Commission has urged all political parties to exhibit responsible behavior on social media platforms. 2 more persons have been detained by Ribhoi police, and during their interrogation, it has come to light that proscribed outfit HNLC is indulging in brainwashing of innocent youth by unleashing vicious propaganda with an objective to keep their extortion industry running. Police is also investigating if any financial contributions were or are made to the banned outfit. Any person having association of any kind will be questioned and legal liability will be fixed under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. All nefarious activities of HNLC are being conducted through social media and VoIP platforms. All are advised that if they get any contact or call from HNLC, they are to immediately inform the police and block the profile or number making the contact. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President and Congress candidate for the Shillong parliamentary seat, Vincent H. Pala, today informed that both the candidates for Shillong as well as Tura seat will file nomination on Monday. Talking to media persons, Pala said in the meeting held at the Congress Bhavan, instructions were given to the party workers as well as to the bloc presidents to refrain from making unnecessary controversial comments during the elections. Pala also highlighted on various promises made by the party. When asked whether there is equal competition from all the party, Pala said that every political party is strong in its own way.
Thank you, ma'am, for attending, and after some time, party already decided my name for the 1 Shillong parliamentary seats and Saleng Isama for the 2 Tura parliamentary seats. Because of that, we try to give instructions to our workers, and also we take the views of the district president, the block president, suggestions, because election will be fought not only by us from here but at the block level mainly, and how to speak for during the campaign and so many other things which normally we practice, how to put our polling agents, when is the last date to give the names. That is the purpose of the meeting.
The central leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party had sent 2 co-coordinators to Meghalaya to assist the party in preparing for the MP election to Lok Sabha. Speaking to media persons, Meghalaya BJP President Rukman Momen informed that the 2 co-coordinators include Assam BJP spokesperson Kishore Upadhyay, who will assist in Shillong parliamentary seat, and Akshay Rajkoa, who will assist the party in Tura parliamentary seat. When asked about the delay of the party to declare its candidates, Momen said the list of probable candidates is already sent and the party is awaiting further approval from the centre.
it's Assam spokesperson, Mr. Kishore Upadhyay. Yeah.
And from Garo Hills,
For Garo Hills, I think he's sending Akshay Rajkot, ready for any election. Any election, we are ready because with groundwork we have already done. We have our own organization. With that, we are perfect.
well, with the BJP,
Actually, BJP is not this one individual party. It's a national party plus it is a cadre-based party.
The Congress party has launched full campaigning in Tura parliamentary seat. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President Deborah Marak is leading the campaign for party candidate. Congress MP candidate Tura parliamentary constituency Saleng Sangma said that the party is focusing on issues of smuggling along with the international border and the issue of corruption in the state, and Congress party will leave no stone unturned to snatch the Tura seat from the NPP this time.
They're working very, very hard to ensure that our candidate Sri Saleng Sangma he wins this time. There are many issues, local issues like corruption and then price issues, many things like smuggling to Bangladesh. There are many issues actually, governments.
A noteworthy development unfolded in the United Democratic Party Rebhoi district yesterday, just weeks prior to the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Several influential figures of UDP such as former Mauhati MLA and working president of the party in the state and district, Donbok Kimdet, Chief Advisor UDP Rebhoi, Rafael Masar, former KHEDC CEM Rangkansai Makdo announced their designation following deliberations among the leadership. This consequential decision is expected to impact the electoral prospects of Robert June Kharjarin, the Regional Democratic Alliance candidate contending for the Shillong parliamentary seat.
Ada relasi negara ada dunia perkat seni bah, nilai keren, nilai kenduk, nilai diskus hadin nilai keren, nilai kenduk, nilai keren, nilai sim negara ada kawai kejemut bah kita kepala sendiri ban, ni nak ke parti UDP, tu nilai sayang hangi, tangkin kita kam kita keman, ngomong yakin Kristian. Kita gino Kristian kita, ada ikan kita kemat kalau ketak susu. Ni tangkin kita kam kita kemat jangka parti apa jangka youth wing, women's wing, pada kalian juga ramba apa jangka Rebhoi district, bat kemujur kepada jangka state kebahap kepada nang ni apa Rebhoi. Tinggal sini ke negara, mengelar resign no. Kebamut bah kajian ada jini bat ke parti UDP kalau kod ngadu mentah kesini.
Former legislator from Bakmara, Samuel Sangma, today joined the National People's Party. Sangma was welcomed by PHE Minister and legislator from Williamnagar, Marquis N. Marak, and Education Minister and MLA from Siju Rongara constituency, Rakham A. Sangma, in a function held at Bakmara. Samuel Sangma, a four-time MLA initially representing Dalu, West Garo Hills District, and later Bakmara in South Garo Hills District, had joined the UDP as its associate member in 2018. The legislator from Bakmara before 2023 assembly polls joined the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Mana maksa semua. Walau cakap ni kesenangan, nasional. Ancen tahu NPP parti mati. Napola nasional baik tu akan gemar nasional. Wamang berpusi pengen bakremen.
As part of the World Water Day celebration, the Office of the Public Health and Engineering Department, Rebhoi District, today organized a 5-kilometer run from Sidon to Downgate, Nongpor, in which around 70 participants participated in the run under different categories. The theme of this year's World Water Day is Water for Peace, which focuses on the critical role water plays in the stability of the world. Meanwhile, the Public Health Engineering Department, in collaboration with the District Sports Office, Southwest Garo Hills, in the celebration of World Water Day, organized a spirited 10K run starting from the indoor stadium in Ampati.
Kajing penmare marathon ni kena mau ya alat lagu kena temptation rang kena sulung bagi balakan rang ba kita menang yo kajuk kalat nation mentah dan spread awareness ban wanra kata buah habede ketika World Water Day kamtam habangin wanra ya ketika team ma ko water for peace mereka kumna mangi kinong senang kan bangin sutu dalam hindang ni ko kabut kebabian kemudian ke imlang salam ke besok ke beteman mangi sutu mana obre mi dan kami ko teradangin dan ko kawan rak katna haki senang ki thau no man obre mi dan kami ko ke babon kian.
The Achak Literature Society, in collaboration with the Department of Garo Nehu, Tura Campus, and the Department of Garo, Don Bosco College, organized a workshop on traditional musical instruments and performing arts held at Nehu, Tura Campus, Chasangre. Students from various educational institutions enthusiastically participated in the workshop, where they learned about Garo cultural heritage through interactive sessions and live demonstrations. The workshop aimed to deepen students' understanding and appreciation of traditional Garo music and performing arts, fostering a sense of pride in their cultural identity. English singer Callum Scott, who gained fame with his rendition of Dancing on My Own on Britain's Got Talent in 2015, performed in Larati, Maukasiang yesterday evening. He performed most of his songs and the crowd also sang with him as he set the stage on fire. Speaking to the media ahead of his performance, he mentioned choosing Shillong as his next destination after performing with Ed Sheeran in Mumbai due to its vibrant musical culture.
Performing in India has been beyond words. I'd never been to India before. Performing in Mumbai as a support for Ed Sheeran was just mind-blowing. The fans were they just wanted to be involved, whether that means screaming or clapping or cheering or singing along. And I have sincerely enjoyed my time here in India. Hopefully it's not my last.
Let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded today was 18.5 degrees Celsius with a minimum of 9.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 79% and in the evening was 78%. A rainfall was also recorded of 2.6 millimeter. Forecast for tomorrow is most likely moderate rain in isolated places. Before we end the news, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Election Commission prepares to combat challenge of misinformation. Police detain 2 more in connection with IED blast case. Congress candidates for Shillong and Tura parliamentary seat to file nomination on March 25th. BJP central leadership sends 2 co-coordinators to Meghalaya. And Congress launches Lok Sabha campaign in Garo Hills. That's all we have for today. Thank you and have a good night.